Okay, it's snowing out here, right? And, well, I'm blush. And I'm in the city where the blizzard just hit. So, it's snowing, right? And I love being outside right after it snows, like the first day, because it's like it's just you and the world. There's nobody else here. Anything is possible. I'm literally walking in the street, going up. Like, this is just peace. It's like the city sits still for a second, and it's amazing. So, oh my God, I'm tired. But I'm excited for the new. I'm excited for the newfound discipline. I feel like I've been slowly increasing in my discipline, but I don't know. There's days where I just wake up and it's just like there. It just hits and it doesn't feel as hard or as cumbersome. Like, and today was just one of those days. And hung out with my kids. I will say I'm very proud of myself. I have not had my own space, my own personal space for the last 12 days. My grandmother came to visit, so she was in my space quite literally. And it was just a lot. The kids were in my space more than usual. Like, I'm a bedroom parent. I try to be a living room parent. But for some reason, every time I'm in the living room, I fall asleep. Or like we're all together, I fall asleep. But yeah, so my introverted self, I've been holding on, been doing my best. But tomorrow the kids go back, I get my full day to myself again. And although I can't get my massage like I planned, I could have, but I treated us to different meals and little things. So, and now Maddox needs boots. That wasn't in the budget. So I gotta take that money to put towards his boots. So, I'm gonna be doing that tomorrow. But other than that,